ACB. Welcome back to my channel ACB Designs, and on this channel or on this tutorials I'm going to teach you how to make a beautiful swimwear or swimsuit. Before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so, hit the like button and comment as well after watching these tutorials. Stay connected. Great. So the materials we'll be needing for our bikini are a plain fabric for lining, your elastic band, your tape measure, your tailor's chalk, your African print, and then your ruler. So let's get started. So this is the measurements you'll be needing for the bikini. Your side bust to center bust 8 inches, your under bust, your upper bust to under bust 8 inches, around under bust 26 inches, waist measurement 25 inches, and then your crotch length 13 inches. Okay, so we are going to divide our waist measurement into 4. Waist measurement is 25 inches. So let's say 24 inches divided by 4 will give me 6 inches. So roughly 6.5 inches plus 0.5 inch for my allowance, making 7 inches. So we'll be cutting 7 inches. Okay, so this is the 7 inches, and then I'll be coming down from the waist to my crotch 13 inches. It's a high waist, so 13 inches is fine by me, plus 1 inch allowance, making 14 inches. Okay. Great. So from our crotch, the wideness for the crotch is supposed to be 3 inches divided by 2 give me 1.5 plus 0.5 inch as my allowance, making 2 inches. So what we do is we will come down 5 inches. 5 inches. Then we curve it, connecting to our crotch this way. Then we cut out. Good. So after cutting out, this is what we'll be getting. It was placed on fold. So when we open, we'll be getting something like this for the front. So we're about to cut the back. Okay, so we're about to cut the back. What we do is we place the front onto the back, then we cut the same thing, just that the back exceeds the front half an inch. Like this. Then we cut out. Okay, so this is for the back and then this is for the front. We'll be cutting the same thing on our lining pieces. That's the white. Okay, so after cutting the front and the back on our main fabric and on our lining pieces, what we're about to do next is to shorten the side about 2 inches. We shorten here 2 inches because we are going to insert our elastic band for it to stretch. So this is how we are going to do it. 2 inches, 2 inches. So we're going to shorten it by 2 inches. Same to the back. Okay, so after cutting out, what we're about to do next is to join the front fabric pieces together with the back pattern pieces. So we're going to join it this way. You join this, that's the crotch area. We will join this, same to the lining pieces. Yes, so after joining the back pieces to the front pieces, we will then place right sides of each pieces together like this. That's the lining and then the main fabric. Right sides together, making sure the front and front matches and then the back and back matches this way. So what we're about to do is to stitch half an inch at the thigh area, coming to this place too, and then at the waist area as well, leaving the side and side open. Good. So after stitching all around, leaving the side and side open, side and side for the front and side for the back, what you do next is to turn to the right side like this. Great. After turning to the right side, this is what we have. As you can see, it's almost ready. Okay, on our previous tutorials, good. So as I said earlier on, we trimmed 2 inches off from the side and side because we're going to insert elastic band for it to stretch. With that, it can be a size for the size 8, size 10, and then size 12. Okay, so the 2 inches we trimmed here together with the back, making 4 inches. But I'm not going to cut 4 inches elastic band, but I'll make it 3 inches long. Great. After cutting our elastic band, what we're about to do next is to fold this in half an inch and then insert in the elastic band, this, the middle, and then the down part. We're going to do this at the front part connected to the back part. Same thing to the other side. Okay, so after inserting our elastic band at the side and side, this is what we'll be having. Okay, at this point our pant is ready. You can choose to top stitch all round or you leave it. Now, so our bikini is ready. I've already made a tutorials on how to make a bralette top, and I'll be putting the link in my description box so you can go and watch there.